Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the auxiliary battery on a Jeep Gladiator. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a new auxiliary battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. The auxiliary battery is usually located near the main battery under the hood, often beneath a protective cover. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by loosening and removing the negative terminal cable first with your 10mm wrench. Then, carefully disconnect the positive terminal, being mindful not to let it touch any metal surfaces. Next, unfasten any clamps or straps holding the battery in place. Once freed, you can gently lift the old auxiliary battery out of its tray, preparing for the new one. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new auxiliary battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, attach the negative terminal, ensuring it is also tight and secure. This order is crucial for proper electrical connection. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Double-check that both the positive and negative terminals are securely tightened. Reinstall any protective covers or hold-down clamps that were removed during the process. Finally, start your Jeep Gladiator to confirm the new auxiliary battery is working properly. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at an authorized recycling center. You've successfully replaced your auxiliary battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.